Since I'm no master machinist, and I somewhat have a clue what I'm doing, but this thing, I'm gonna attempt to. What the hell's going on here? Come on, fuck. Is it locked? Yeah, it's locked. I am going to attempt to use my undersized parallels, but I bought the wrong size because, well, use what you got, right? And I'm gonna put these in here. Wait, it is the right size now. It's a little smaller here. Bought the wrong size. I need bigger ones. But anyway, I gotta get like 1/4 inch ones, whatever. Longer material. I think these are 3 inch. They're fine for what I do anyway, so hopefully the bottom of this damn thing is level. What I'm gonna do is go like this, and then go like this. Shit. This right here, so don't fall over it. I think they're about level. They should be level anyway. I'm going to attempt to shave off one of the ends all the way, and maybe I should do it long ways, huh? Maybe I should lay it this way, flat. I'm using my hand here because that I need a machinist vise that goes the other way, but it's all I got right now, so guess what? I'm using what I got, and that's all I got, so deal with it. I only paid 60 bucks for this thing. It's all I got. It does the job though. I mean, it's not like the perfect thing. I'd like one of those big fancy Kurt vices, but I can't see spending 500 bucks on something I'm going to use like once in a while. So anyway, this doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be anything really. That should shave off enough right there. Is this thing parallel to it? I hope so. I don't even know if this thing is square. I leveled it this way. I don't think I leveled it the other way. So now I gotta figure if this shit's square. God damn, I forgot to check that. My God. Here, let me stop this. Hello YouTube. I was gonna, in the video you're watching, I was gonna cut this thing down to size, but here's the problem. I forgot, I dialed it in so it's level, but now I have to figure out which way it's going, and I kind of forgot to do that. So I don't feel like retooling this whole freaking thing right now. It's late at night. I'm gonna, actually turn these damn lights off because it's like super bright in here. There we go. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow night of me squaring this thing, because I have a feeling if I run it this way, it's gonna end up cutting, like it's gonna end up, if I run it side to side, it's gonna end up cutting like this, and I want to cut straight, so I'm not sure. I know the mill runs perfectly parallel, but the vise is not perfectly parallel, so I've got to figure that one out. I'm not a machinist, so I have to go like watch a few videos and figure out how to do this. So that's my plan. I'm gonna figure out how to do this, and then next thing, I think what do you call it? If I'm right, it's not very complicated. I have what do you go? I have a cheap dial indicator, and a while ago when I fixed it, when I checked it, it was like literally like a couple of thousand, maybe about 10 thousandths of an inch on a, like you would cut flat and it would just like cut it on an angle. So I got that out of it. Now I got to figure out how to square it up. I have no idea. I'm gonna put a square. I'll probably put a 1, 2, 3 block in there, and then run the dial indicator back and forth on it until I can adjust it and get it perfect. As far as I know, you put it on there and you just loosen up a little and tap it with a mallet, but I could be wrong. That's what I would assume. So I'm going to try that next time. I don't have time for that. And I got a few other dumb videos I want to make. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I am going to get this freaking vise finished if it kills me. I mean, it's the reason why it's taking so long. I only come in here an hour or two a night. Sometimes I don't come in here every night. And it's only a couple hours at a time. It's my hobby. So I keep doing this. Thanks for watching.